How would you know I needed another book? 2.
What kind of book is it? You just threw it down, dude.
Star Wars! What this is? A new Monopoly?
Yes, a new Monopoly.
How would you know I wanted a new Monopoly?
What kind of Monopoly is it?
Star Wars, the Star Wars.
Wow.
Oh.
There's some sort of theme going on here.
Yeah! Thank you! Thank you, Janet, for those presents.
You're welcome.
Wait, I already have a Monopoly.
Yep.
Why'd you give me another one?
No, it's different.
It's different.
Yeah! Maybe sometime we'll play that. Yeah, maybe today.
Good idea. Do you wanna go run and give Janet a hug?
Yes. Thank you.
Oh,
You're welcome.
thank you, Janet's leg.